Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Odoo CRM as a beginner. So if you run a business and you get a lot of clients, your customers, and it get really hard to manage all that and you want a software to handle all that, then I'll show you how you can use the Odoo for CRM. So first you have to simply go to the browser and there you have to search for Odoo. Then you will get this first link, click onto it and then you will be onto its website. Now what you have to do is you just have to simply start their free trial. Then you first have to simply select which app you want to use in Odoo. So as we are here for the CRM, then I have clicked on CRM, then I'll click on continue. Then after that, it will ask you to enter some of these details like your company email, your phone number, and all these. Simply add up and your account will be created. But before it will send a verification code on your phone number, you have to verify and an email on your email address that you have to verify. And once you do it, then your account will be activated. After that, you have to simply click on CRM and then you will be landed onto this page. Now on this page we have a lot of stuff. If you click onto this option new, then an opportunity will be created. So in opportunity you have to add a company name, your contact number, or maybe the other options like email and the contact options, pricing, and all these options. So simply add it and click on add. Once you click on add and after that the opportunity will be created, then you can also move it into different sections like new, qualified, and other options. And if you click onto it, it will open like this. Later on, if you want to do any changes in it, you can do it. The other thing that you can do is you can also create different sort of stuff onto this page. But if you have created the opportunity, you can move it to different boards like new, qualified, proposition one, and you can actually create more boards if you would like to. If you want to generate a need, click onto it, then simply add the company name and your industry category. Then here we have other few options. You can just simply select it and just simply click on generate lead, and after that a lead will be generated. Then in it you will further see some of these options. You can again categorize them based on their status, if they're qualified, proposition one, whatever they come in you can manage. And on the right top we have different sort of views like list, graph, kanban, and other pivot like things. So you can explore all of these and whatever you prefer the most you can go with that. Then we have this option for like sales reporting configuration. In sales we have the pipelines, we have the activities, teams, and customers. In reporting we have forecast, pipeline, leads, and activities. And in configurations we have a lot of options like activity plans, activity types. You can just simply check them if you need them. After that, if you want to manage your activities, your opportunities, or anything, you can just simply open them up and whatever you want to customize within that you can do it. Even if you want to customize within your leads or if you want to create new ones, you can also do it. So this is all about the Odoo. You just have to simply start your journey with it. Once you start adding your customer details or you start adding the leads, you will understand that how it works. And once you keep using it, you will know it much better. So that is all about the Odoo CRM. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching the video.